Hello, good morning. Andito tayo ngayon sa ating RFO duplex. Let's go, pasukin natin. Hi, ma'am. Living area and dining area. Meron po tayo dito ang staff room, storage. And then we have one toilet and bath here in the ground floor. Let's go to the second floor. This is our master's bedroom. And we have balcony. This is our toilet and bath. And this is our second bedroom. And the third bedroom. Let's go. We go to the rooftop. This is our rooftop. Overlooking mountain view and then Laguna de Bay. Let's go to the parking area. One carport, and we have basement. Let's go to the basement. Basement. And we have toilet and bath also here in the basement. Ang sarap ng hangin dito. Fresh air. Thank you so much.